Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to discuss about the stock of Forge Rock. Now the stock went up quite sharply on its trading session or first trading session, and what you have in terms of news is how the stock has raised 275 million and reaches a valuation of 2.8 billion dollars in IPO. Now what their requirement is and what they get is actually 10 times bigger than what they want. So this is one thing that's happening again and again. So if you this is another way to change your fortune, because if you build a company and if you come to the market, you will get more than what you want. Okay, so this is on a lighter note because you have to work a lot for that. Now the latest major IPO in the biometric space, with Forge Rock's initial public offering ranking in $275 million and the stock price rising by 40% to give an enterprise digital identity management provider a valuation of $2.8 billion. The 11 million shares of Class A common stock in Forge Rock were offered at 25% and jumped to 35 at market opening on the first day. Reuters reports reflecting highlighted investor confidence, heightened investor confidence in the surging value of digital ID. And this is about the news. Let's go to the chart because we have very small amount of data as far as the chart is concerned. So the chart has moved quite superbly as far as the trading day is concerned. As you can see here, this is a very small chart, but anyhow, if you are if you are riding the IPO, then you must understand the volatility that is hiding inside this stock. So these are the levels. So as you can see, this is the support above which the stock is currently moving or trading at, and if the trend continues and if the market or if the participant has enough faith in this particular stock, then this is what we are looking here. So as far as the trend is concerned, you have your stop loss at 42.38 on the downside, and the target that we're going to look at will be in between 50 and $54 on the upside. And if by any chance this line, the upper line or the resistance line get crossed or target line get crossed, you will have further move on the upside that will develop as the trading session resumes. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.